Hello and welcome back. Johnny B. Slow here, and today we're going to be plugging in MobiFlight connector with the Arduino Mega. And let's go ahead and open up our MobiFlight app. Okay, now once we have this open, let's go ahead and move this to the side. And the file that I've sent you, the MobiFlight configurations, go ahead and open that up. And you want to copy all of these files, or if you don't have a main panel, MCP, overhead panel, or a radio stack, you can just skip this and you can just copy the throttle and the Nellum's quadrant file. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and copy all of this. Well, actually, I'm gonna just go ahead and copy this, and we're going to move it over into our MobiFlight folder, the MobiFlight folder, the one we had installed. Okay, and we're going to paste it. And the reason why you see this message here is because I already have the file in my folder. So for you, if this is your first time, you won't get this message. And also, let's go ahead and copy the Nellum's quadrant file. Okay, once again, I already have it in my folder. And now let's go ahead and plug in our Arduino Mega. And once you plug it in, exit out of MobiFlight and open it back up again. And you will see the Arduino LED light blink. And I'm gonna just ignore this right here, this screen, and then it will soon go away. And if you notice here at the bottom, it does not detect the module. So what we need to do, we need to go up to extras, go to settings, go to MobiFlight modules, and you can see it right there, but still yet it doesn't recognize it. So we need to right click this and upgrade firmware. Okay, now if you notice here, you would see MobiFlight. You would see throttle quadrant. But for me, I have already flashed this Arduino. So for you, it won't look like this, because when I click on this plus, you would see a little bit of configurations. So let's go ahead and upload our first file to configure this Arduino Mega. Okay, so go down here to the bottom, click on the folder, and you want to select the MobiFlight folder, the one that we had installed. Okay, once you go to that folder, you want to look for that file that you had dropped in there, you had copied into that folder. Alright, so the file would be Nellum's quadrant. Go ahead and double click that. Okay, and now when you click on the plus sign, you would see all of your configurations in there. But however, you will also see this triangle. So yeah, we need to click on this upload button right here, upload configuration. Okay, click OK, and it's uploading. All right, so there you have it. There you have it. Now we got our configuration. And one more thing, we also need to upload this file, these configurations. So let's go ahead and click File, Open, and then this throttle file right here. And there we go. I just go ahead and click the exit right here. All right. So we have everything right here. All right. So that is it. Now our Arduino board is ready to be used. All we have to do now is put the throttle control together and then wire everything up. Okay, so now you can just go ahead and disconnect your board, store it away until we're ready for it. Exit out, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this back up just to see if everything went smoothly. Yep, everything's good. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please uh, put them in the comment section and I will try my best to answer your questions. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.